Ay, kikamboy man.
Ulay mo na ako ka.
The Barkas man yun.
Slow. Trabaho. Kumusta, Col?
Ay, baling kuyawa kayo kay kusog kayong magdalagan-dalagan.
Ang sakyanan?
Dili ang layon. Pagkaan dito may gani wala mahulog.
Ang layon?
Ang sakyanan. Balik ko na mong ana-ana dito. Mati nilayat.
Madan, ang sakyanan?
Di ang layon. Pag-ana dito ba kay hapit matumbi.
Kuyawa ko ang layon?
Ang sakyanan. Na may laeng kakuan-kuan dito. Pwede kang kuyawan ako.
Ah, ang sakyanan?
Dili sa layon.
Maliwa ko, no? Maliwa.
Safari mo, sir?
Yes.
Head count, pila mo kabog, sir?
Go. It count. Apil bata, boss?
Apil, sir. Head count ram 100, sir. Nya, tarong bayad sa lapis.
Boss, asan na boss pa? Monte? Monte.
Nagatay ko an.
Ito yung guide. So yan, itong guide, guys.
Oh no!
Ay, ito raw. Ito raw tayo. Kalabihan. Kalabihan, dala na.
Tabangan ni mo ba?
They're just chilling.
Ay, kikamboy man.
Ulay mo na ako ka.
The Barkas man yun.
Slow. Trabaho. Trabaho mo.
So they came from
Tailom, guys.
They came from France. All of them are male. They are 6 years old and they are brothers.
Brad!
Actually, napaiduhaan naman but they came from Germany man. So, dili sila pwede isagol kay territorial lang kayo.
So, inanap niyo sa sige? Or muduol po sila sometimes?
Mutuol sad, ma'am. They try to attack.
So may kasulay na pag ni-attack diri ma'am, ano mga kuha ninyo?
So, we feed them chicken or beef, 5 to 8 kilos per lion a day.
5 to 8 kilos a day.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mao po di ay nga
Galuya. Galuya. High blood.
Dapat na ikaw, sir.
Ako pa na ikaw?
Kuya pag manaog ganit.
Ay, lead sila. Bukog, diri sila bukog.
Turag doha. German.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ha?
Pauli na ko dito.
Digit ba dala yung mga
Ika ni basig pa.
patag na kuno tanan, patag na.
Patagod.
Kaya ra na sakay ra. Sakay ra man. Ano po ni prepare ko? Sakay na pata. Sa layon?
Sa tiger.
Okay, ma'am, sir, for your next stop, Camel area right side. Nya kanan left side mo na yung Birds of the World. Mo na ni pinaka-top sa tour nato.
Then after din kuya.
Kuan, ma'am, ang exit sa Birds of the World, waiting area na siya going to African Savana. Na mo entrance niyo, ma'am. Sige.
Boss, amo na isali ka mong kauban nimo, boss.
Okay, sir.
Pacquiao. Ma'am, amping.
Bye-bye.
Boss. Special trip? May tabang pwesto rin. Sorry pa ko na to.
Ibalik na mo
Sorry pa to siya.
Ibalik na mo siya nga ton.
Ay, siya sa pasahero.
Karabaw na.
Karabaw.
Karabaw. Ano na yung karabaw?
Karabaw ko na siya dong.
Ito na karabaw, Ben. Di mo na karabaw. Kami man na.
Oh, okay, labang. Kaya nga na. Sigma?
First, mag-greeting usata, okay? If you have earrings and necklace there, is you have to remove it. And then, it's no shouting in here, no running, no touching of birds also. And for your exit is you just have to follow lang the cemented pathway. It's a maximum of 10 to 15 minutes only inside. And lastly is do not look up with your mouth open. Okay?
Kaya pag ana dong, mahulog. Dong, okay raman isa, matabunan raman ni Ari.
Okay na ba sa matabanan?
Mungkin saya may sandrong adlaw.
Buliyagong gitu nila. Sabar nih pagkaon gusto. Tawag ko no. Necklace yung pangita dili ng manok. Wow, na-pink day oh.
Nay, baby bird ang may baby bird.
Aka ni mga kuyaw diri oh.
Necklace there.
Lalami kay ka engineer oh.
Sir, pase.
Hindi kang batog na ko ganina ba.
Namulot ko. Kuan dito si Lalo.
Ah,
Nahulog ba?
Ka uncle. Ay,
Ay, gihatag. Kuha na nga kuha.
orot na niya. Ding ting ding 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 ding. Di mo lagi ma'am earrings di lagi.
Oh, di man lang. Nanad naman sila. Nanad naman.
Nanad.
Ha?
Di mo wala. Wala na.
Karon kay di kuan naman kay naron nila kanang kuan kay kami kay nangawa diri. Ilang once umutugdon sila diri, kitkiton ko lang. Umakali na guys dunggan, iniglupa na nila, madana man na.
Ang dalunggan madala.
Anong arios?
Arios.
Di masama. Ay, kuan naman sila namo manad na ba?
Kailan naman siya? May mga ngalan ninyong kuan wala.
Wala. San Conyor gingalan ani nila.
Asa to?
San Conyor.
San Conyor. San Conyor.
Indonesia.
Indonesia gikan.
Okay na, let's go. Bye-bye.
Kada bulan na siya gina-vitamins mo eh.
Wala ra.
Wala vitamins?
Mga prutas ra ilang kuan na.
Okay, may vitamins natural. Natural vitamins.
Ano ni padong?
Ano ra except sir?
Ito yung sugbo.
Gama tayo na sila guru sa boss.
Muna maral.
Doon sana siya.
Nalibang.
Nalibang, nangihi. Panlagsara na siya mugawas baya.
Bintorong. Secret na boss. Lala. Wala dinis. Tayo, hapit na. Oh, wow!
Bukat pre.
Bukat sabi.
Itong ganyan sa show, wala rin bukan no?
Wala.
Wala kay kuan man gud siya oh. Namarutol.
Okay na boss. Set na ka boss.
Dito kay kapoy ganyan wala tayo asawa boss. Hingaw kay boss.
Hello. Thank you guys.
Wala boss.
Problema na yan.
Wala problema na boss. Kaya atras boss.
Senadre, boss.
Hello, good afternoon. We're going to see zebras here in African Savannah. Aside from zebras, we also have 7 kinds of antelopes.
Hello. Saan antelopes? Ikaw ba ni Uncle? Uncle
Just like
Loops.
white lions, also we're going to
Si Bibi Joey.
Ito, nabilin.
Lion pa man. Pero we have 2 trams na good for 30 and 20 people. So makater ang makalan. Sige, this way lang. Senior citizens, sa mga pregnant women, and PWDs can sit on that area, ma'am.
Pag yan ang senior citizen, Ma'am Dos.
Sikat.
Ma'am Dos, pagod.
Kailangan kayo.
Tapos sa senior citizen.
Ma'am Dos, senior citizen.
Ano yung makita na to sulod, guys, ha? Remiro, makita na to sulod. Okay. Dito dong, dito.
So good afternoon everyone and welcome to African Savannah. So for safety purposes, no standing while the tram is moving and no flash photography. So today you will see 8 different species, 7 from the family of antelope and 1 from the Aquarian family. First one that we have here is this one. We have the zebra. Okay, so they are the highlight of the savannah, and originally they are black coated with white stripes, and those stripes will serve us to dazzle and confuse their enemies as well as the biting insects. And there's no 2 zebras that has the same pattern, just like a human fingerprint. So those patterns will serve as their identification with one another. Now the other one here with the grayish color in its coat, that is the wildebeest. So they are mammals that also belongs to the family of antelope, and also one of the largest antelope. So male wildebeest is known as the clown of the savannah because of their uncanny behavior during mating season. Now then the other one that we have here, this one with the reddish color in its coat, is the blessbok, and derived from the African word bless, which means blades, and that indicates in the white markings on their face. And they can run up to 70 kilometers per hour, and as they grow older, the darker their shade will become. So again, this one here is the blessbok, the wildebeest, and the other ones there are the zebra.
Sabot mo, wala.
Baka na naipit ni, Lion King.
Yes, sir.
Lion King.
Kapatay.
Okay. Oh, blackbird. Oh, you forgot not to scream. Hey. Anak ko scream.
Bakit ni boss?
So next one that we have here is we have the greater kudu. So they're also one of the largest antelope, and the male has horn while the female has none. Also, the horn of the male can grow up to 74 inches, and it will twist every after 2 years. Their horn are also used as an instrument in Africa, and with their cryptic coloring and markings, it helps kudus to camouflage, since kudus are usually found in woodlands and bushland. So again, everyone, this one here are the greater kudus. Numbers, grasses. Next one that we have here is that one there that looks like a cow. Those are the eland, and they're the world's 2nd largest antelope, and also their kinds of species are one of the largest antelopes among the family of antelopes. So their milk is almost 3 times the fat and 2 times the protein than a dairy cow, and then can weigh up to 1,000 kilograms, and also they can run up to 25 miles per hour and jump up to 4 feet from a standing start. Now the other one here with that has a spiky hair on its neck, that is the water buck. So as their name suggested, they have a close connection with water. Also, water bucks will immediately sink into the water whenever there's a predator nearby, since their body will release oil with unpleasant odor, and that their predator will select another prey. Also, as they grow older, the stinkier they can get. So again, those one there are the water bucks and the eland.
Roller coaster. Yan, nagsakay. Zebras. Wala, balik ko
Okay, so now next here is the that one there with the brownish color in its coat, those are the impala. So they're one of the most common and graceful antelope in Africa. Also known as the fastest antelope since they can run up to 90 kilometers per hour. And they can run up to 3 feet in height and can leap up to 10 feet in length. The male has horn while the female has none. They're also known as the favorite food of cheetah and lions. Now for the last antelope that we have here is this one with the long horn. This is the gemsbok or the oryx gazelle. So that horn can grow up to 33 to 36 inches, and if ever it breaks, it will never grow again. And due to their low metabolism, they can survive without drinking of water for months or a year. So they can only get the small amount from the moist of their food, and that is their way of survival in Africa. They're also known as the king of the Kalahari Desert. So again, everyone, this one here is the gemsbok or the oryx gazelle, and that one there is the impala or the impala.
Down, down!